Hi, my name is Alex and welcome to the Crochet Circle.
In this video tutorial, I want to show you how to make a bow. Now this is a bit kind of larger bow, but it's still made in one row only and it's really easy to make, so let's get started. Oh, just one more thing before I begin. The pattern for this bow will be here, here, somewhere around my face probably. Actually, no, it's gonna be here on my desk top left corner. And yeah, you're gonna have a diagram here, and down in the description below you will have the written pattern, or you can just of course crochet with me along, and I'm gonna show you how it's done. So let's begin. Let's see the materials that you will need. So I have here some cotton yarn. It's actually creative cotton. I have no idea where I got it, but it says that it's for a crochet hook between 4 and 5 millimeters, so I'm gonna be using a 4 millimeter crochet hook. The pink one that is still not used, I'm gonna use for another project, but this little bow, it's so tiny and it's like a small yarn stash buster. You don't need much, so I'm just gonna use this blue one that is kind of a scrap yarn for me at the moment. Now let's begin. As I said, it's only done in one row, and the whole row is done in the magic circle. So I'm gonna start with a magic circle. That means yarn twice around my thumb. I go in with my crochet hook, grab the yarn, and now I have to do 4 chains. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have to do quadruple. So I put my yarn 3 times around my crochet hook, and I do the stitch again, 1, 2, 3, yarn 3 times around the crochet hook, another go in the magic ring and grab the yarn, pull it through 2, pull it through 2, grab the yarn, pull it through 2, and grab the yarn, pull it through the last 2. One more go, yarn 3 times around my crochet hook, into the magic ring, through 2, through 2, through 2, and the last 2. Now this is almost half of the bow done. Now I need to do chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and join it with a slip stitch into the magic ring. Now that's one part of the bow down. Now again, to start the second one, I need to do 4 chains. 1, 2, 3 times around my crochet hook, into the magic ring, and go through two loops, through 2 loops, through 2 loops, and the last 2. And I have to repeat that 2 more times. So yarn 3 times around my crochet hook, through 2, through 2, through 2, through 2, and the last one, again, yarn 3 times around my crochet hook, through 2, through 2, through 2, and the last 2. Now the last stitch is just for chains, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and the slip stitch into the magic ring. Chain 1, and now I can cut the yarn. And that's it. So I'm pulling the yarn through. Now all I have to do is tighten up the magic ring. I do like to put something in the middle, so it kind of pulls nicely together. And that's the bow done. Now all you have to do is either starting or end tail. I would say starting tail, just go 2, 3 times or 4 times around the base, and you do the same in the opposite direction with the end tail, and you meet at the back where you can make a knot. Pulling it tight and pulling it tight, and that's it. That's a little bow done. I know it's not that little because I was using a bit thicker yarn, and I've been using quadruple crochet stitches, so 3 times around the crochet hook. That is why it's a bit larger, but I need it because I'm gonna show you. This is one of the projects I'm gonna be doing. So it's a little package with the bow on top. Now I can show you also here. Package with the bow on top, and it's actually gonna be a Christmas ornament. But yeah, for now, the first part for the project is a little bow that I've just showed you how to make. Now, there are gonna be some other variants of this bow, don't worry about it, just a bit shorter, so it's gonna be much fuller if you want it like that. So the links will be down in the description below. If you have any questions, you can ask. I don't bite, I will try to answer as soon as possible, and until the next time I'm gonna say, happy crafting!